With so many saute pans on the market, narrowing down the top picks can be a challenge. Luckily, I've done the research for you by using my culinary experience to select the best saute pans that you can buy. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the current prices for each of the products. The number 5 product on my best saute pan list is the Alva Maestro 9.5-inch saute pan with lid, which I rate as the best budget saute pan. If you're looking for a quality saute pan that won't break the bank, then the Alva Maestro might be just what you need. This budget-friendly option packs quite a punch in terms of features and performance. Crafted from forged aluminum, this pan offers excellent heat conductivity. You'll find it heats up quickly and evenly, perfect for achieving that golden sear on your meats or veggies. The ceramic nonstick coating is PFAS-free, so you can cook with peace of mind. The stainless steel handle is welded to prevent food traps, making cleanup a breeze. One standout feature is the lid design. It comes with air vent holes to prevent rattling and boiling over. No more unexpected messes on your stovetop. Here's a quick rundown of the key specs. It measures 13.9 inches by 10 inches by 4.7 inches. It weighs 3.85 pounds. It's oven safe up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. It's suitable for all cooktops, including induction. Remember to use low to medium heat with this pan. The ceramic coating retains heat efficiently, so you don't need to crank up the temperature. A little oil or butter goes a long way too. Food should glide right off. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of pricier options, the Alva Maestro 9.5-inch saute pan offers solid performance at an attractive price point. It's a great choice for home cooks on a budget or those just starting to build their cookware collection. Taking the number 4 spot on my best large saute pan list is the Hestan NanoBond Titanium 5-quart saute pan, which I rate as the best 5-quart saute pan available. The Hestan NanoBond Titanium quart saute pan is a game changer in the kitchen. As part of the world-renowned NanoBond cookware series, its molecular titanium surface is incredibly durable, resisting scratches and stains like a champ. It's genuinely 4 times harder than stainless steel. You'll love how quickly and evenly it heats up thanks to its triple bonded construction with Procore aluminum. This means perfect sears and consistent cooking results every time. Plus, with its 5-quart capacity, you can easily cook for a family or meal prep for the week. But if 5 quarts is too big, you can also get the same saute pan in a 3.5 quart size. The ergonomic handle stays cool and provides a comfortable grip. Plus, the flared rim allows for drip-free pouring, no more messy countertops. Now, here's a feature that speaks volumes about this saute pan's construction quality. It's oven safe up to a whopping 1050 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you incredible flexibility in your cooking methods. From stovetop to oven to table, this pan does it all. Cleanup is a breeze too. The flush rivets and sealed rims make it dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Handcrafted in Italy, this pan combines style with functionality. It's an investment piece that will elevate your cooking game for years to come. Checking in at number 3 is the Heritage Steel Titanium Series 4-quart saute with lid, which is definitely the best stainless steel saute pan that you can get, in my opinion. This saute pan is honestly a game changer for your kitchen. Crafted in the USA, it boasts a market-leading 5-ply construction that extends throughout the entire pan, not just the bottom, which sets it apart from competitors. You'll love cooking with the specialty 316 Ti stainless steel surface. It's reinforced with titanium and molybdenum, making it super durable and non-toxic, which is great for your long-term health and cooking ambitions. The 3-layer aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers ensures even heat distribution, which means no more hot spots ruining your dishes. If you have an induction cooktop, that's no problem at all. The pan's outer layer is magnetic, so it's ready for any cooking surface straight out of the box. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for family meals or meal prep, and the lid helps retain moisture and heat, ideal for braising or simmering. Moving on to the second best saute pan with lid, we have the HexClad 5.5 quart hybrid deep saute pan with lid, which I rate as both the best deep saute pan and the best non-stick saute pan on the market. This versatile pan is a kitchen workhorse you'll reach for again and again. With its 3.5-inch depth and 12-inch diameter, you can tackle everything from searing chicken thighs to simmering sauces with ease. The tri-ply construction combines stainless steel and aluminum, giving you excellent heat distribution without excessive weight. You'll appreciate how quickly and evenly it heats up, allowing for precise temperature control. One standout feature is the hybrid surface. Laser-etched hexagonal ridges create a unique cooking surface that's both non-stick and great for searing. Between the stainless steel peaks, you'll find non-stick valleys that make food release and cleanup completely hassle-free. The glass lid is a nice touch, letting you keep an eye on your food without lifting the cover. It's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the pan itself can handle temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're worried about spills and splatters, don't be. The high sides of this pan have got you covered, literally. They contain any messes and make it perfect for one-pot meals. And if you have an induction cooktop, that's no problem either. This pan works on all stovetops, including induction. Plus, the Stay Cool handle and helper handle ensure you can maneuver it safely even when it's full. Cleanup is a snap. With this top-rated saute pan, it's dishwasher safe. But if you prefer hand washing, a quick soak in soapy water is usually all it takes. So, what is the best saute pan that you can buy? If you're looking for a versatile and healthy cooking option, then the Xtrema saute pan with lid might be just what you need. This 100% ceramic pan offers a unique cooking experience without any metal components, and I really think it's the best saute pan with lid that you can buy. Available in 8-inch and 10-inch sizes, this saute pan boasts even heating and excellent heat retention. You'll find it perfect for simmering, roasting, and searing various dishes. Here are the key features that you should know. Like all Xtrema products, this saute pan is non-toxic and metal-free. It's also microwave, oven, barbecue, freezer, and dishwasher safe. The cooking surface is scratch-resistant and stain-proof. It has a lightweight one-piece construction, making it easy to move around your stove. The pan's low rim makes it easy to turn and flip food while cooking, and yet its durable construction resists chips, ensuring longevity in your kitchen. You'll appreciate the versatility of this pan. Use it on the stovetop, in the oven, or even on the grill. The sleek design also makes it suitable for serving directly at the table. Caring for your Xtrema pan is simple as well. Heat it on low to medium, add oil to create a non-stick surface, and you're ready to cook. Cleanup is a breeze too, with just hot, soapy water or a run through the dishwasher. With a 30-day trial period and a 10-year warranty, you can feel confident in your purchase. Overall, the Xtrema saute pan offers a unique, health-conscious option for your cooking needs. And there you have it, the best pan for sauteing that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying the best saute pan, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you found these saute pan reviews helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more cookware videos like this one.